And now we will do the harvest of rapeseed, also canola. This harvest will be performed by the Nexat. It's over there. We turn the wheels from the transport position to the working position. And now you see it will start working. Rapeseed is ready. I'll show just a little bit how it started. Everything is with the remote. You see? There is nobody inside. Nobody inside, everything is done by the remote control. Just look.
It's only for the relocation, transportation. If you need to move on your farm facility. Or for example, as now, we need to get to the field, to enter. I need to disassemble the Nexat. So I can do it like from the cab and from this joystick. But from the cab I need to turn a lot of times. But here is easily from the joystick I see where to move it. And small operations you can make, just lift up or lift down the header. So it has a lot of functions and it's automatically updated.
Look at this size. It's very unusual to be such a small, to feel like we are small near these crazy machines. Can you imagine if one day it will be just robot, just drone, such drone. Okay, now we will do the harvest. Rapeseed is bigger than me. I will try. Okay, now with Artyom. Look, so cool. I'm like a child on a roller coaster. Here is in a grain tank. You can see the photo of the canola. Of course, they are just with the flash. They can be green, but still, you see the same Magdon flex draper. Approximate yield is 4.4 ton per hectare. Artyom just turned the cab and I can jump out and not walk on the canola. Very huge canola. So Artyom goes and I just show you how it cut this Magdon draper. Very awesome. Look, least Michelin tires can hold such weight, 50 ton. McDon vertiblade for chopping. Very tall. I'm 1 meter 70 centimeters and the rapeseed is much higher. Very interesting machine. I like this concept. This field is straight. It's like a 5 ways, 5 stripes. So it's this machine designed for straight, big, huge fields. Then it can show its potential. Because if you have small fields like in Europe, where you need to maneuver, it won't save you time, it will make more problems. So you need such machines for a huge markets like Kazakhstan, like Uzbekistan, like Canada, USA, I don't know, maybe Germany. I've never been yet. So I'm proud that Ukrainian farmers choose such high efficient and technically ideal machines. I'm really proud that the farmer who was born in Netherlands chose Ukraine and invest in Ukraine and help us, and he stays here even if war. He farming and showing how to do it in the most efficient way. It's designed for minimizing the compaction. The tire only here and over there. 4 tires, they go in, 4 wheels, they go in a straight line. Now you can see compaction is only here. You see? So here will be compaction from year to year if you use the control traffic system. And huge grain tanks to unload the Nexat. 410 are very powerful and new one. That's why it's hard to pick it up, because it's laid down, you see. Maybe it was heavy, maybe because of rain, but or wind, it laid down, so it's hard to pick up whatever combine you have. Look what I got to you now. That is the Nexat for the first edition, which will do now the tillage. The operator just have the remote control. It's like a game. You see? He moves it with the remote control. He will put the tillage equipment here. I think somebody will bring it. Good morning. Yesterday was the Nexat harvest of rapeseed and canola, and at night it worked with a Weatherstadt carrier. You see the discs? It's the 14-meter discs working. Look. You see? It worked at night shift, and it's making like 150 hectares. Before here they spread the manure, so organic fertilizer they spread, and after that the discs just chopped and covered everything with soil. You see? Huge machine. Also, the guys told that the tanks
for dry fertilizer and liquid fertilizer. Total it's about 9 ton they can handle, you can put inside 9 ton. These wheels are the special design by Michelin, only in special order, I mean the special order, only made for Nexat, such size. I want to show you the size. It is 750/75 R46. Look how many bolts. Crazy. Look at this size, guys. It's incredible. Vaderstad has like a contract with the Nexat, it's an official supplier, and it makes the discs and also the planter.